Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make quick and easy burfi with dry milk. The ingredients are given in the description box. Firstly, we will take the butter, that is 1/8 cup or 30 grams of butter. We'll be needing a heavy bottom pan, or you can use a non-stick pan as well. First, on a very low flame, we will melt the butter. Just let it melt. Now we will put our 1 and 1/4 cup dry milk into the pan and just keep on stirring it quickly, just for you can say 1 minute. That's enough for that. Now pour 1/4 cup of milk and stir it quickly. And now add your half cup ground sugar. That is mixed with the cardamom pod, 3 cardamom pods. I can see that it's on a you can say a bit dry stage, so I have added 1 tablespoon milk more. Just keep on stirring. Now I'm using the silicone spatula. It will help to press it down as well, and we'll mix it properly. You have to cook it like this for about 10 minutes till the sides leave the butter or ghee, whatever you have mixed into it. This is my grease dish and I'm going to spread my mixture onto it.